Max over there has been our Uber driver that has been driving us around. Super sweet.
Bakumi. Do you have a nickname?
The girls.
What? She's like, no. You can call her Buck Buck. What nickname do you go by?
Buck Buck.
In the background freaking out because so Roselle found her man.
Here you go. Taken, unfortunately.
Really?
By who? Donovan?
What'd you say?
A bunch of white people that I don't know. Where's Rihanna? Where's my Rihanna?
Tilly says that she saw a bunch of people that who is she?
I don't know her name. I don't know.
Okay.
Her name either.
Mine's mostly froth and bubble. True saying standard kindness is a struggle. Do not worry, little one. You are not in trouble, but have courage to gain your advantage. And come back to visit Zoltar for more visa. Zoltar, great city. And I can see your fortune. Come see it too, though.
Vancouver cannot act right with this.
Oh, it's like a little egg. We made it.
If you have any questions, please ask any team member here in the plaza.
Guys, the view is actually beautiful.
Oh my god, do you want to show? No, people told me to. I haven't watched the episode where Rihanna. Oh, that's why you watch it. Love, watch it. Oh, but you haven't watched it.
Day. Now the name of that fire station has been featured in a few other productions, and sometimes not even Universal productions. For example, Warner Brothers created Friends, and Phoebe's boyfriend worked in Fire Station 51. But again, not that set, because that's not a set, that's a real fire station. Now a lot of what we're going to be seeing out here on the front lot, before we get into the back lot, are large buildings which we call sound stages. Now sound stages are very large buildings that we film inside of to have a bit more control of the sound. And the biggest one we have over here on the left hand side is Soundstage 12, currently home to the hit singing competition, The Voice, hosted by Carson Daly, with judges like Jennifer Hudson. Check it out.
Hi everybody, I'm Carson Daly from NBC's The Voice. I want to welcome you to the Universal Front Lot. Our show is filmed...
Guy in car 2, please sit down. Okay. Further along we have our cars from the Flintstones that had to be dragged with cables so that they could move, and then we got some cars that can drag themselves from Fast and the Furious. He's had minutes of training, really. He filled out that worksheet in record time. And oh dear. Tis but a flesh wound, right? That's all. Looks like he bit his legs off. Let's relax. Nobody panic. I'm just going to read the safety instructions for this area. Okay, in the event of a horrific shark attack, hide guests and tram behind flammable gas tanks and... Flammable? What happens if it... That. What happens if that happens? Looks like the pier is on fire. Great, okay. Well, does anyone know if sharks are scared of fire? Because if they're not, we're going to need a much bigger tram.
That's a much maligned shark.
Is everyone okay? Hey, car 4, you still...
She looks cute. She's ugly as...
You're so rude.
I'm just joking. You look really cute. You look like one rich babe. Don't look at me. I'm bloated and I have a rash.
No, be quiet, please. This girl, she always thinks she's bloated when she's...
I am. That's why I have this here.
Anyways, this fine babe's outfit is from Fashion Nova. Her shoes from Vans. And yeah, Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova.
Wow. So guys, tell me why every time we go out, we're just walking around. Anytime someone sees this girl, it sets us up. No, it really does. And you see why? See, Kitty? You see why?
No.